Hi, today I'm going to introduce to you the new product by Teledyne LeCroy, which is the SAM Sensor Acquisition Module. Now this SAM actually works together with the HDO series of LeCroy oscilloscope, and like its name suggests, it is actually meant to acquire signals from a range of sensors, particularly IEPE sensors. Now what are IEPE sensors? IEP actually stands for Integrated Electronic Piezoelectric. So in IEP sensors, you have the sensor, the transducer, and there is an integrated preamplifier here. So if you connect this kind of sensors directly into the normal scope input, you will not be able to see any signals because this preamp is not powered on. This preamp requires a bias current in order for this sensor to work. Okay, so right now I have an IEPE microphone. I'm gonna actually put it very near to this motor so that you can sense the wind generated, or the pressure generated by the rotation of this motor. Now if I connect it directly to channel 1, the normal oscilloscope input, alright, you will see that actually there is no signal at all. Okay, because right now this IEP, the preamplifier inside the IEP sensor is not powered. Now the good thing about SAM, alright, is that it is able to generate a bias current. Alright, this bias current can go into the preamplifier and power that on. I'm going to connect it to the SAM. Alright, and right now you're able to see, okay, that the sensor, there is actually some signals that's being captured by the SAM acquisition unit. This SAM sends a bias current to power on the preamp, and the transducer and the signals gets transmitted back to the SAM, and the SAM sends the information to the oscilloscope. This is all done in real time. So you could correlate your current measurements, alright, of the motor drive with your motor readback together. Now the other thing is that you can make full use of the math measure cursor that's available on a scope to measure the sensor signal characteristics. For example, I can use a cursor, alright, and I can look at the period of the pulses from the sensor. So the period here is 10 Hertz. 10 Hertz would be 10 times 60 would be 600 RPM, which is actually the motor speed, the speed of my motor right now. So you can see that everything is correlated in real time. So besides IEPE sensors, this SAM can take in inputs from normal sensors that are not IEPE. Alright, for one, this has 24-bit ADC resolution. So sensors by and large are very small signals. So with 24-bit resolution, you are able to pick up very small signals from the sensors. Okay, so that's the introduction of the SAM. Thank you.